Today we're making 4-leaf clovers or 3-leaf clovers, little shamrocks. It's up to you if you want to do a 3 or a 4. These are great to add to any project you're doing. These are fun, easy to make, and we're gonna jump right in. For this project, I'm using a 4mm hook and a size 4 worsted weight acrylic. Let's get started. We're going to start with a magic circle. If you are looking for a full, very slow tutorial, I will link that up above. All right, so here we go. I do mine a little bit differently than what you'll find online. So I create this loop and pinch it between my fingers here. I take my hook, go through that loop, grab my yarn, pull through, chain 1. So that's my magic circle here. Now I'm going to chain 3. So that was the first one. Chain 1, chain 2, chain 3. Okay. I'm going to triple crochet. So I'm going to wrap around twice. Okay. I'm going to go through my magic circle, grab my yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're going to do a double. Wrap around once through the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Okay, now we're going to do a triple crochet again. So wrap once, wrap twice, through the magic circle, grab your yarn, pull up, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. And then we are going to end that with 3 chains. So 1, 2, 3, and then we are going to slip stitch into the magic circle. All right, so that is our first leaf of our clover right there. So let's go to our next one. So we slip stitched, and now we need to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. We go into our triple, yarn over, through the magic circle, grab our yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we go for our double, yarn over once, through our magic circle, grabbing our yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And our next triple, yarn over, through the circle, grab our yarn, through, okay, and then 3, chain 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I'm going to go through my circle here, grab and slip stitch. Okay, pull my circle a little bit smaller. All right, we're repeating one more time. 1, 2, 3, triple, through the chain, through the circle. 1, 2, 3, double crochet through the circle. 2, triple crochet through the circle. 1, 2, there we go, and chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then we are going to slip stitch into our magic circle. Done. Okay. And I'm going to go ahead and make this a 4-leaf clover. So we're going to repeat that whole process one more time. So chain 1, chain 2, chain 3, triple crochet, double crochet, and a triple crochet, and our final chain 3, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch into our circle. Okay, now before we pull this closed, we're going to create our stem. If you were making a shamrock bookmark, you would chain the length of your book, but I'm just making a little shamrock applique that maybe I'll put on a cup cozy or something like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now I'm going to be going back down the chain, and I'm going to do a half double crochet into this second chain from the hook. So you can see on the back there are little bumps. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So I'm going to go into that second one, and I'm going to do a half double, which is yarn over, push through the bump, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and pull through all 3 loops. Okay, now the next 3 I'm going to do single crochets. So single, single, and single. Okay, and now to finish this off, I am now going to take this, what I was working on, and I'm going to slip stitch back into that magic circle. Okay. Well, I'm going to pull out some of that yarn and snip it off. Okay. Fasten off. Okay, so I have it looking like this. I have my magic circle still open. I have this slip stitch and my tail, and then I have my magic circle tail back here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my stem tail and put it through that hole so it comes out the back. Okay, so just like that. Now I'm going to pull my magic circle, magic ring, nice and tight, and I'm going to use my nail to hold things in place while I pull, so that I can pull it nice and tight without breaking anything. Okay, and I have this tail and my magic circle tail. Now, if you were doing something where you needed to sew this onto something, you could use those tails to sew it onto. You could tie it onto something. You can tie a knot on the back, nice and close to your shamrock here, and then snip it off. Could also weave the ends into your shamrock if you prefer that as well. And now we're just going to play with our shamrock so that it has the shape of our 4-leaf clover here. And there is our little shamrock ready to go to be put on what other projects you want. This would be cute as a garland, maybe on your mantelpiece, or you can make alternating colors. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit subscribe so you can catch our latest videos. Happy crocheting!